How to create a survey. Surveys are a useful tool to gather information or feedback from anyone that decides to fill it. You can create your own survey using your Elastic email account. From the menu, select Surveys. There, you can create a new survey or edit an already existing one. Survey is fully editable, starting from its name, expiration date, or the questions themselves. If you want to show a specific image, provide some information or just greet the respondent, use the Text Media field. When you select Question, you will be given few options on if the question is mandatory or how the possible answers should be formatted, for example, with radio buttons, drop-down menu, text box, etc. At each moment, you can save and preview your survey. When your survey is saved and ready, you can go back to the survey screen and there, from the burger menu, obtain the link you can share with anyone. From that same menu, you can also see the survey summary for the overall results or responses overview to see the answers of a specific respondents. Congratulations! Now you know how to create your own surveys.